a hen in the bush, she's hiding her eggs. A rooster strutting round, showing off his legs. Chicks in the field, they're pecking for gold. Life on this farm is a story to be told. Oh, the chicken's big and the chicken's small, free-ranging life. They're having a ball from the cage to the field. They're running wild, them clucking neighbors sure got me beguiled. Old Red the rooster tried to cross the road, but the tractor came by and he had to reload. The hens got a laugh, feathers flew in the air. That rooster's pride won't go anywhere. Oh, the chicken's big and the chicken's small, free-ranging life. They're having a ball from the cage to the field. They're running wild, them clucking neighbors sure got me beguiled. Now the chicks found a worm, they're playing tug-of-war, and the hens in the bush just laying more and more. One got loose and chased the dog around. Ain't no peace in this crazy chicken town. The coop's in a ruckus, the feathers are flying, the rooster's crowing like the sun ain't rising. The neighbors all laugh, it's a feathery spree. Life with these chickens is the life for me. At dawn, feathers flying, oh the chaos goes on. Big old rooster strutting tall and proud, while the chicks in a bush just chirping out loud. Clucking around, it's a chicken parade. Life ain't boring when the eggs get laid. Free range drama in the field and pen. Every day's a show with these hens and their friends. Sly as a fox, steals the corn from the neighbor's feed box. Chicks found a puddle, now they're mud splashed, while a rooster's crowing like he's been outmatched. Clucking around, it's a chicken parade. Life ain't boring when the eggs get laid. Free range drama in the field and pen. Every day's a show with these hens and their friends. There's one in a cage who thinks she's a queen, throwing shade at the flock, she's downright mean. But the bush hens laugh as they peck and play, 'cause freedom's sweet when you're living this way. Big old rooster got his feathers in a knot when a chick chased a bug and she hit the feedlot. The farmer's wife came with a basket in hand, but those hens went wild, took over the land.